Welcome to my YouTube channel, all you performance marketers. My name is Eric, and every day on this channel we talk about everything lead gen, online marketing, and how you can arbitrage media to make money online. If you like making money online, then you should subscribe to this channel because we're going to talk about all kinds of fun things that us entrepreneurs do to generate revenue, generate leads, go out to the market, attract potential customers, and we're going to talk about those strategies today. I had to come on here because I just finished up a podcast with one of the guys that is a really talented player in the self-education space. This guy, Brian Delaney. As I'm talking to him and going through, he just wrote a book and all the things, something came up, and what he did is things that I've been talking about for a long time. And I kind of want to just illustrate the process of how he used an affiliate offer to be able to generate a few $1 million on his business. So we're going to go through this process right now, explaining to you how this works so that you guys at home watching this video can realize that even if you don't have a business today, if you have nothing going on, the beauty is with affiliate marketing, with the ability for you to go out and promote other people's offers and then get paid to drive them leads or customers, it sets you up in a way to build your business. And if you're done correctly, you're ultimately getting paid money to build your business, right? Very different. Most people, I don't have any money, I can't go out and start a business, blah, 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 blah. That's not correct. So let me talk you through this so I can show you as an example. Real example here. Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi, they run this program once a year where they, first year, were driving traffic to a live webinar where they were going to go and they were going to talk to everybody and then ultimately try to upsell them into their program. The second year, they did something where they created a challenge. So instead of it being a live webinar, they drove traffic to get somebody to sign up for a 5-day free challenge and then upsell them back. The concept there is Dean, Tony, they want traffic to their offer. They need people to come to their pages, sign up, and either join the challenge or join the webinar, depending on the year that you're going to go and run this program. And you get paid a commission. The way they structured the deal was that you get paid a commission when they convert a customer. There's a lot of different deals out there in the affiliate world. You can get paid on a lead, you can get paid on a sale, you can get paid on a click. What they do is they go out and they start to talk to different affiliates, right? And they're influencers that have platforms with followers and all that good jazz, right? Ultimately, what he did was he created a bridge page in front of their offer and drove traffic, sent some money. I think he said his budget was like $100,000. He was driving clicks to get people to, one, register for the webinar, and then a few years later to register for the free challenge. Ultimately, what was happening was you have this affiliate offer, which is the Tony and Dean offer, and I think it was Own Your Future challenge, 5-day challenge, right? The payout was on a sale. I think it was like a $9.97 offer, and then maybe you get, 20%. Let's use those numbers, right? So 20% was like a little under $200, right? So $200 commission. I don't know if this is exact, but it's not the point, right? The point is you got to understand the framework here. So there's an affiliate offer, Tony and Dean, and they're willing to pay people $200 every time you get them a $1,000 customer. What you do is you go out and you want to go and you drive traffic. Here's the number one awesome thing about it. You're going to get assets from them. You're going to start promoting their offer. So you're going to attract people by just marketing Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi. Think of the brand power there. You're going to focus on entrepreneurs and you're going to get people to sign up interested in their product. Anybody that is going to work with entrepreneurs wants these types of people. So when you drive traffic, let's call this an ad, and it could be anywhere. This could be an ad on Facebook, Google, Taboola, whatever, right? We're buying traffic. We're going to pay to go here, right? Own Your Future, okay? And then what happens is somebody will sign up here. That's number one way. Now, when you go out and you start buying traffic for Own Your Future, there's hundreds of people that have this offer. So what do? How do you differentiate yourself? You can't go out and just start buying traffic for Own Your Future, right? Because you're gonna do the same thing that everybody else is doing. What do you gotta do? you create a bridge page, right? You create a page in between on your ad where you can drive traffic somewhere in some capacity. It could be a survey, it could be a lead gen offer, but then you send them here, right? And what that does is it starts to feed your database with leads. If you drive traffic directly to their offer, let's say you get somebody to sign up here, they come over here, they don't sign up, then you can create an email program to your database. And in that case, now that you have the lead inside your database, now you can start to send them things about own your future, right? Because they're in your database, you generated that lead, you're fulfilling on whatever it is that you promised them, right? You're giving them whatever this free thing was, whether it's a lead magnet, a survey, what have you. And then you're ultimately trying to get them here to own your future. Now, you get people to sign up, and what happens is, on the 5 days, right? Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, they have these programs, and now Tony and Dean and everybody involved is trying to get them to upsell them into this $9.97 offer, in addition to whatever you're doing, if you're communicating with them. One cool thing about this that they do to incentivize all of the people is the top 10 affiliates get to go to Fiji, which is where they'll go and have a mastermind with Tony Robbins. So the first thing is, would you pay money to hang out with Tony Robbins for a few days on an island? I mean, anybody that really understands the space would realize the value in hanging out with him is tremendous. The cool thing about this is, if you can get into the top 10, you get to go to Fiji. So he's like, heck, you know what? I'd spend $100,000 on that, so let's go spend $100,000 on ads. Of that $100,000, to just kind of fast forward this whole concept, he ended up spending $100K and ended up making about $200,000 in commissions. Okay, so here he got $200K. You subtract the ad buy of $100K, right? On ads, he's plus $100K, and he made the top 10, so he's going to Fiji. Boom. So right now, he would have spent $100,000 to join a mastermind with Tony and Dean and the top 10 affiliates that were driving traffic and driving customers for this program, and he got paid for it. I haven't even gotten to the best part, okay, where it's all around using other people's brands to drive traffic, capture data, and then what do you do with it? So right now he's plus $100,000. Now, what he has is he has this core offer where it's a coaching program, okay? It's an agency. He has a $25,000 program and a $100,000 program that he sells to people. That's his core business. He's got all of these leads from here in his database. He made $100,000 to build his database on an affiliate offer. We talk about these break-even funnels, right? Not only did he break even, he's plus $100,000, and he hasn't even started with his core business. Just because you have a business doesn't mean you can't be in the affiliate space. Affiliate marketing is powerful, man. What happened was, on his back end, he runs a 3-day event. And on that 3-day event, he got around 263 people to attend. So from all these leads here, he has an event that he's going to start to now add value to these people. He's going to show them all these things that he knows. And at the end, his goal is he's going to try to upsell them into signing up for a program. I'm not exactly sure the exact numbers. It was in the 60s. But on the 3 days at the end, he got around 60 something, I think it was 63 people to pay the $25,000 fee to join his program. Then he had, I believe, 5 people to join his $100,000 program. 25,000 times 63, and that equals 1.575000. Then I can do this math, right? This is an extra $500K So overall, $2 million. I believe the event cost him about 150 grand. So the cost for the event was 150K. He made 100K. Now he spent 150K to run this event. So now he's negative 50K. But he knows that when he gets X amount of people to this event, he's going to close a percentage of them into his high ticket. He's going to give value, and then he's going to convert X amount, which he ends up doing here and here. He just generated $2 million. $2 million. I want to write that. 2 million. Boom. This all started from him being an affiliate, running traffic for somebody else's offer. I want you guys to understand how powerful that is. You look at affiliate marketing and you're like, I'm not an affiliate, I want to do this. Guys, you don't have to be an affiliate as your core business. But you can use affiliate marketing to drive your business. And it's powerful in a lot of different ways. Number one, you need to attract entrepreneurs. When you're attracting people, you gotta have certain types of promotions that are going to relate to them. By doing this, you're ultimately getting a license to promote Tony Robbins. The person that's gonna come through that is an entrepreneur. You're not doing much. You don't have to come up with any taglines or anything of that nature. You're ultimately just promoting their offer. Now they get introduced to you. You start capturing some data. So you start to build your database of leads, and you're getting paid to do so. Because when you drive sales on the back end, you're getting paid a commission. The beauty of this is you spend 100 grand and you can generate 200K in commissions, be plus 100 grand. Now listen, some of you are gonna say, oh wait, I don't have $100,000 to generate traffic. Guys, remember we talk about arbitrage, we talk about arbitraging media, right? We talk about going out and creating markets, right? We're performance market makers. So in a very simple way, instead of you spending money on this here, right? You can go create ads, make an offer, and start to go out to the market and find traffic. Find people that will run traffic on a performance basis. You go and you promote that offer to them, and you tell them you're gonna pay them when a user takes X action. There's a lot of different ways that you can go about doing that, but honestly guys, it doesn't even matter. You don't have to make money, you can break even, right? You can lose a little bit of money. Because the most important thing here, and that you can get people to come, in this scenario for his model, to come to his 3-day event. And then on that 3-day event, on the back end, he's gonna close a percentage of those people, so he ends up making $2 million plus because you ran an affiliate offer for Tony and Dean. So guys, I just want to come on here and explain it to you, because I just, people look at me like I'm crazy when I tell them that this is really possible. Like, this all started from just an affiliate offer, right? You can do this with any affiliate offer. It's just the building up your leads, breaking even, hopefully you're making money, you can lose a little bit, and then having a good core offer on the back end with a plan to now work those leads to convert them into customers for you. Lead gen arbitrage all day long. That's it in a nutshell, guys. Hope this was helpful. This is what it's all about. One affiliate offer can make you millions. If you like this, subscribe, like it, comment on it, share it with somebody. Don't forget, I have a podcast. You can subscribe to my podcast, Performance Marketer Podcast. You can see the interview I did with Brian on the Performance Marketer Podcast. You can go listen. It's going to be published in a few weeks. And if you want to text me, 917-636-1998. Join my text community. Shoot me a what's up. Ask me some questions. We can start to get to know each other a little bit. But with that said, guys, hey, appreciate your time. I wanted to come on and just show you this. I think it's just, I love this stuff. It's so cool. If you didn't have hope before this video, you should have hope now, because you can do this. I appreciate you all. I appreciate you listening to this. I appreciate you being here. And I thank you. Be blessed. Happy holidays. Talk soon. Bye-bye.